Hi, I'm that Bernina guy at Stitch in Heaven, and today I'm going to be bringing you how to engage and disengage your embroidery unit. This will work on your 7 and 8 series machines. So this includes your 700 embroidery unit, your 770 QE, and your 790, as well as your 880, 880 plus. So to get started, let's disengage our feed dog. And feed dogs are disengaged, and then all you have to do with this is align your unit up, give it a good about a 35-45 degree angle so that that'll slip into position, and you hear it connecting, and then you let it down. Now to disengage, it's the same maneuver, just in reverse. You're going to lift up until you get that angle perfect, pull it out, and it's disengaged. And then you want to go back for normal sewing, re-engage your feed dogs, and you're ready to sew again. If you have any questions, give us a call at Stitch in Heaven. Subscribe, like, and if you want to get notifications about our new videos that we release, click on that little bell, and any new releases that we have for you, we'll let you know. And we ask that you come visit us at Stitch in Heaven, and have a great day.